Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Electricity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super fun and useful device right at home. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe to Creative Electricity, and turn on the bell so you won't miss any new videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a metal welding machine easily at home, using only the stator coils from an old fan motor. I'm using 3 stator cores, removing all the copper wires and keeping only the outer steel frames. Next, I'll use special adhesive glue to firmly attach the steel frames together. Note, before gluing them together, make sure to clean the steel frames thoroughly so the adhesive sticks better. Next, prepare a piece of electrical wire with a diameter of 3 millimeters. I use that electrical wire to wrap around the steel frame. Note, I'll thread the wire through the gaps in the steel frame in a zigzag pattern to make the winding even and tight. The edges of the gaps are quite sharp, so thread the wire slowly and carefully to avoid scratching or cutting it. After a while, I've finished the first layer of wire winding. Next, I'll add a second layer of wire. For the second layer of wire, I'll use a thinner one than the first layer, with a diameter of about 2.5 millimeters. For the second layer, we'll wind it the same way as the first one, but in the opposite direction. After a short time, I've finished building the power source for my welding machine. Next, I'll use 4 plastic bottle caps to make the legs for the welding machine. I'll use special adhesive glue to secure the welding machine onto a wooden board, making it more stable and easier to use. Next, I'll use a small motor and several magnets with a 20 millimeter diameter to start the next step of the build. I'm going to attach these magnets to the shaft of the small motor, so when the motor spins, the magnets will rotate as well, creating a magnetic field. Note that I'm attaching the magnets in opposite polarities, so when they rotate, they generate a stronger alternating magnetic field, which makes the machine work more efficiently. I'll attach a PVC pipe base to the motor, then secure everything onto a wooden board to keep it stable during operation. Note that we'll insert the magnet-mounted shaft into the hole of the steel coil wrapped with wire. This allows the motor to generate an induced magnetic field for better welding performance. Next, I'll connect the 2 wire ends that were wound around the steel frame. To make the connection firm and ensure good conductivity, I'll use a soldering iron and some solder to secure them in place. After that, you should use electrical tape to wrap the connected part tightly. This will protect the joint from short circuits and keep it safe during use. I use a battery holder that can hold 3 batteries, then secure it to the wooden base using special adhesive. This keeps the power source stable and the entire setup neat and sturdy. If you find this project interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Creative Electricity channel so you won't miss any of my next cool ideas. Next, I'll use two small wires to connect the battery holder to the small motor. I use a soldering iron and solder to make a solid connection, then wrap them with electrical tape. Next, I'll connect the welding clamp and the grounding clamp to the machine. I'll connect the smaller wire to the grounding clamp. You should use pliers to tighten the nut on the grounding clamp. I'll connect the thicker wire to the welding clamp. This clamp uses hex bolts, so you'll need a hex screwdriver to tighten them securely. After finishing the connection, I'll reassemble the outer cover of the clamp as it was. After a short time, I've completed the mini welding machine. Now let's take it for a test weld. To power the machine, I'll use 3 4-volt lithium batteries. After inserting the batteries, the machine is running, and now we can use the welding clamp. I'm using a 2.5mm welding rod, and I'll test it by touching it to the grounding clamp first. Next, I'll weld the metal box tubes together. Amazing! I can weld effortlessly and the weld burns clean and crisp. When I removed one battery from the holder, the machine stopped working, but as soon as I put it back in, the machine started running again immediately. So, we've just finished creating a super simple yet highly effective mini welding machine right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really motivates me to create even more exciting projects. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.